Hello, my name is Aisha Bajwa and you're watching me on my YouTube channel which is Bajwa Aisha. If you haven't subscribed my channel, so please go and subscribe it first and then come back. So today's video is about the CSS test. I'll answer some of the frequently asked questions related to CSS and I will guide you what is CSS test. So many students ask from me that what is the difference between CSS and PMS test? Students mean CSS aspirants especially. And what is the eligibility criteria? What is the age limit for applying? And what is the scale and when to apply, like in which months we can apply and how to apply. It is really very difficult process. Yeah, how to select the subjects, which is very important thing, and where the test is conducted, what are the different phases to become the CSP. I mean to say there are four different tests that we have to pass for this, and the distribution of the marks. And other than that, we will also discuss what are the different groups of selection that we have to select. Okay, so we will discuss this all on the screen. So come with me.
Oh, what is CSS? It is a Central Superior Service exam which is conducted by FPSC, Federal Public Service Commission, Islamabad. In this video, I will discuss what is the difference between CSS and PMS test, what is the eligibility criteria, what is the age limit, the qualification, the scale, when to apply and how to apply, selection of the group, subjects, how to select different subjects, optional subjects, and the distribution of marks, where the test is conducted, and what are the different steps to which we have to pass to become CSP, and the distribution of the marks. So first I will tell what is the difference between CSS and PMS. Basically, PMS test, it is conducted by the Provincial Public Service Commissions, PPSC, KPSC, SPSC and BPSC, Balochistan, Sindh, KPK and Punjab. Well, and the PMS officers have to serve only in a province, while the CSS is conducted by the FPSC, Federal Public Service Commission, and it is held every year regularly, but PMS exam is held after arbitrary intervals. The eligibility criteria and the age limit, all male and female including the special persons holding at least second division bachelor's degree and aged between 21st to 30th years are eligible. Upper age limit may be relaxed by 2 years only. And if we talk about the qualification, the candidate must hold at least a second division or the grade B bachelor's degree from any Pakistani university or relevant qualification from any foreign university which is recognized by the Higher Education Commission HEC. And the successful candidates are directly appointed as the 17 scale officers. Okay, when to apply? Candidates who are going to appear in 2021 test had applied in the October, and the last date of submitting application was 3rd of November 2020. Selection of the groups. There are total 12 different groups. Pakistan Customs Services, Pakistan Administrative Service, Police Service of Pakistan, the Foreign Service of Pakistan, Inland Revenue Service of Pakistan, the Commerce and Trade Group, Information Services of Pakistan, Military Lands and Cantonment Group, Office Management and the Secretariat Group, Pakistan Audit and Account Service, Postal Group, and the last one is Railways Group. Well, it's a subject selection now. This is really very important, and the beginners are mostly face troubled here while selecting their subjects, optional subjects. If we'll talk about the subjects, there are total 1200 marks, and 600 marks are utilized by the compulsory subject and 600 marks are utilized by the optional subjects. Choosing one subject of 200 marks, then we have to total choose 5 subjects. And if we are choosing all the subjects which carries the 100 marks, then we have to choose total 6 subjects to make them 600 marks. If I talk about myself, I choose political science from group 1. Then from group 4th, I choose the history of USA. From group 5th, I choose environmental sciences. From group 6th, I choose criminology. And from group 7, I choose Punjabi. Phases to become CSP. Yeah, the candidate has to appear in the following four parts of the CSS exam: the written exam, medical test, the psychological test, and the Viva was. Well, the exam centers for the written test are not only in the major cities, but they are also in like Abbottabad, Bahawalpur, Dera Ghazi Khan, Dera Ismail Khan, Sargodha, Sialkot, Sakardu, and Sakhar. The exam centers once selected cannot be changed. That's why make sure which exam centers are nearest to you. The exam centers can be changed only if the commission or a committee says to. Well, there are many other questions that are frequently asked: how to select the subjects, how to apply, which is the best bachelor degree for CSS, and can a financially weak student be CSB? Does CSS syllabus change every year? Should we join the academy? And if yes, then which academy should we choose? If you want me to make another video to answer these questions, then let me know in the comment box so that I will make a new video for you. At the end of the video, tell me that are you the CSS aspirant? What are your optional subjects? And is this video helpful for you or not?
Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you got all the answers of your questions, and if you still have any question, you are always welcome to ask the question, and I will be very happy to answer your questions. Make sure to subscribe this channel and give this a big thumbs up. Thumbs up. Take care. Bye.